Hey, what's going on, guys? Recording, cooking video. If family comes in, family comes in. If family doesn't come in, family doesn't come in. Hey!
What?
Hey, hey, just love you.
Love you.
I'll get them to the tracks.
Are you ready?
Yes, I've been ready.
So we're cooking, and this is a Georgian Foreman. It's hot. Just kidding, I lied. Comedy. Georgian Foreman, and in Georgian Foreman you have to wash it before you use it. Not all the time. Make sure you don't show anything dirty, or I'd beat you.
I know.
Actually, I don't need to wash it because I washed it last time. All right. So on a Georgian Foreman. Oh wait, hold on. Stay right there. No, you don't follow me.
You're everywhere right now.
I have to grab one of these. This is a special thing called a plate, and what you do is you put the Georgian Foreman on a plate. And the reason you do that is actually it's very it's very commonly known that on a Georgian Foreman, patties grease. So it is hot now. So the George Foreman is now on, meaning that it's turned on and powered on. And the way it works now is you grab one of these meat caddies. Ooh, shoot. Well, that didn't work.
Did you peel off the plastic, but the plastic still stayed on? What?
Try to take off his mask without a mask underneath. Yeah, that's a song. You know that one? Hey, don't touch that. Did it consent?
Yes. Oh, it spilled water in my face. It's gross.
Did you hear that? Alright, so what we do now is we peel this back, and then we Okay. Now, I'll just cut this part out. Okay. And then you pull it up and drop it right on there. You see, hear that sizzle? That sizzle means you're doing a bad job. Shut up. Sizzle away. Alright, now I put another one on here. I bet you can't even hear the sizzle anymore. Wait, I didn't check if... Hold on. I forgot to check if there was no wrapper left on it. So I almost burned my hand for no reason. I didn't have a spatula.
The Georgian Foreman is such a bad thing.
Georgian Foreman.
The Georgian Foreman.
Georgian Foreman. Born on Monday.
Wow. The Georgian Foreman.
Georgian Foreman.
Sing a song.
Solomon Grumney, born on Monday. Okay, now I'm probably gonna cut that.
No, I like that.
Alright. So this, my stupid viewers, is why. Oh, hot. Why? Ooh, it's really hot. Why we had a plate. Do you see that right there? I bet you're so stupid you don't even know what that is.
A plate.
You're stupid. It's grease.
Why is it peeing?
It's grease.
What's grease?
It's hot. I'm okay. Anyway, oh, I probably shouldn't touch raw food with this since this is supposed to be going on cooked food.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it just so happens whenever you forget to flip them, they burn a little. You left the door open in the fridge. house is gonna burn down because of you.
I'm gonna burn you down.
Where is the American cheese? Daddy?
Daddy, where's the American cheese?
Did Nora just yell she's gonna snitch on us?
What? They're gonna watch what? Hey, there's cheese.
This is shredded mild cheddar. Nora, can you ask him where the American cheese is?
Where's the American?
No, not
No, this is sliced mild cheddar, Justin.
Yeah.
That's
Just
cheddar, American.
yeah, but he says you might have to use cheddar. Oh no, wait, did he say you have to use
We have
American?
to use American.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Are y'all recording?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Okay, go ahead and back in there while we
Okay,
cook.
okay. Oh.
Alright, so this is bad. That's
You
a-
burnt them. You're
No,
bad.
they're just a little well done.
It looks red on the screen. How do I get out of the angle where it doesn't look like it has ketchup all over it?
It just doesn't look like that. You're wrong.
It's like it's still bleeding out of the cow.
Nora, stop yelling.
But
It doesn't matter. Alright.
Buddy,
What?
did you know that my 3 friends that are triplets actually watch your channel?
Burb.
Burr, 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 burr.
Don't worry, I'll eat this one.
No, I'll eat it. Because you made it. I'll eat everything you make.
No, because then you'll be fat.
I am already fat.
Burger.
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 Burger. Burger. Burger. Burger.
Nora, you can be in the video, come on.
Hey, I can be in the video!
Yeah, now she's part of the video.
Yeah! I cannot wait to see this video.
Well, I'm editing it.
Justin's editing it.
What?
And it might go on my channel, might go on his. So if it goes on his, that'll be really cool.
I want it to go on yours, I think.
Do you want to go on mine?
Probably, yeah.
Okay, then cool.
Look at that burger.
Burger.
Stop.
I like to
stop,
do
What are you
this.
doing?
stop.
The cheese that's dripping over
What
the
are you?
Dun,
Why?
dun,
You're
dun.
ruining the burger.
Dun dun dun.
Nora, no.
Old people can yell. Only young people.
Ah! Your dad's gonna yell at me.
I'll be right back. I'll be back in the video.
Full
My
burgers.
daughter with me.
Justin, you're the best cook.
Look.
No. No.
Please take photos of that.
No.
Like and subscribe before you do that.
Editing Justin here. I just wanted an excuse to pop in, so like and subscribe.
Subscribe and like, or I will never cook for you, and then you'll just have to starve to death. Sorry.
No.
Not sorry.
No.
Guys, if you didn't like and subscribe in that time, then you'll never get to see this baby again.
Yeah.
Oh
let me
my
say this
gosh.
real quick. This baby is going to kill you. Whoa!
And make sure you press the notification bell.
Say it
What
again.
happens if we
Say it.
don't?
Yeah, well, what happens if we don't press the
sure-
notification bell?
I will actually come here and
You'll come in my sleep.
I'll come in your sleep and kill you.
Write in the comment section if you like our videos.
Yeah. Write in the comment section if you like
Wouldn't
us.
it be so
Wait,
funny if you
make
guys just
sure-
were nice to
Make
us?
sure you tell us that you love this unicorn pillow if you are a girl. If you do not,
What
Okay.
girls watch our
You
videos?
Yeah, what girls
What
watch
our videos?
What? Wild dad in his natural habitat.
be on the video.
You've been in the video for the past 8 minutes and 48 seconds.
But
I've seen your pillow.
Jerry bullies a child? What?
That's it. That's it. No more unicorn privileges.
okay,
Oh well.
What's the notification bell, Nora?
it's a little bell that you hit and make sure it has those little things.
The thing?
And what does it do, Nora?
The things? The things?
It's helpful.
It's helpful. It's helpful. What
What
does
does
it
it
do?
What does it do?
Yeah, what does the
I don't know.
notification bell do?
Dummy, Wummy, clumsy.
Rude. No, I'm not showing people your stomach.
You are his, you are me, and me are all together.
That's a good song.
See how they run like pigs from a gun. See how they fly.
Hi, it's Fitz with Slap Chop. You're gonna be in a great mood all day because you're gonna be slapping your troubles away with a slap chop. Now look, here's a potato. One slap.
Come on, feel the noise. You know that one?
If y'all
Come on, rock your... What's the word?
Hey,
Come on, feel the noise. Buzz, rock your boat.
Sword.
We're getting wild, wild, wild. We're getting wild, wild, wild. So you think that I got an ugly face? Let me tell you, honey.
Look at me for a second.
You don't
No.
know why.
Stop.
You don't know why anymore. Anymore.
If y'all watch this video, then y'all.
Come on, feel the noise.
If y'all.
Girls, rock your boys. We're getting wild, wild, wild.
You guys.
Wow, wow, wow. Do, 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 do.
You guys. Look at me for a second. Look at me for a second. If y'all watch
It's been a
this
second.
video.
Come on, feel the noise.
Hey.
Girls, rock your boys.
Triplets.
We're getting wild, wow, wow.
Triplets.
Wow, 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 wow.
Slap, you got big chunks for stews. Who slaps? Home fries in a second. And look at this. Would you...
Tonight, I'm actually
It's funny
going
when
to
there's
your
no
house
context in it.
for a sleepover.
No.
I'm going to your house for a sleepover.
When?
Who would like that? Can someone open this?
No.
Please.
I'm recording.
Oh my god.
I burned my arm.
Don't burn it. Oh, you're making red hot dogs?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Watch me put them on the.
I like them. I like them. Well, I'm trying to...
Are you just trying to make content?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We're back.
Recording the whole time?
No, it's been paused.
Okay.
So we're back.
What?
I just
Oh, we're done.
burped a few times.
Oh, yeah, we're done.
I
Daddy.
burped up.
Daddy.
Dad.
Daddy. Daddy. Dada.
Get him, get him, get him. What are you doing?
No. No.
Hey. Food.
Boo.
Food.
Boo. Ooh, ooh.
Food's ready.
Food's ready. Okay, he shook his head. Do we just go there?
There. What are you doing?
I'm
Alright, who's hungry?
I'm hungry.
Me.
Did you just fart on me?
No. Okay.
I'm taste testing.
Alright.
We're all taste testing.
Nora's gonna taste test. She's gonna start though. So she did all the heavy work.
She did all the heavy work. She definitely carried with her mad entertaining skills.
Alright.
I'm gonna be eating right here.
You're gonna have to try
Okay,
both
I'll sit here.
And a hamburger.
I'll sit here with her and I'll get her.
Entertain me.
You've got plenty of entertainment. Do you want American, cheddar, plain, or mozzarella?
American.
American.
No, you don't get this whole one, because you don't even want a hamburger. You don't even want a hamburger! Do you want ketchup to go with it?
Yes.
You're getting a slice of it, because someone else is going to eat this. No, not right down the middle. Just like this. Because you're just taste testing. This
I
isn't...
get that.
You're just taste testing.
Yeah,
yes.
you're just taste testing.
Now give the whole thing away.
No,
Oh my gosh.
Alright, and then you get part of a hot dog.
All right.
Wait, hold on. What are you doing? Put it down. I'll give you 3. How about that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want
I
ketchup
love
to go
red
with this?
hot dogs. I'd like ketchup to dip my hot dogs in, and ketchup to dip my hamburger
So
in.
just say yes, you want ketchup.
Yes, I want ketchup.
Chef's kiss?
Chef's kiss.
All
What
right.
about the hot dog? What about the hot dog?
Okay, taste the hot dog.
What's gonna be? What's gonna be?
Alright, well, I'll take the rest of this.
You just stole her burger.
Yep, only 3 though. Jared might cry.
I don't like pickles.
The pickle touched his.
No, don't be dramatic.
You would cry.
I would not cry if I touched
A
it.
year ago, it touched it, you would have cried.
What makes a year go different from now?
Oh my god.
Are you guys
Yum,
trying my burger
yum.
now, or
This is so good.
You have to try mine then.
I'm not trying yours. Your burger's bad.
You missed what I just did.
What'd you do?
I tried to put the pickle on top of the mayonnaise.
Alright, are you ready, kids?
I haven't even sat down yet.
You are gonna sit that down now.
Here's what's called a B-board.
No.
No, don't agree to that! Really, it's like... Good? Maybe?
This
Okay,
one.
3. Hi, we have food now.
I was eating a pickle.
We have food.
We're gonna pick up the burgers. Okay. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Okay.
I was on a sense.
You guys ready? Eat it over the plate, stupid. 3, 2, oh.
Wow, that is chef's kiss! Hi, now we have hot dogs.
Yeah.
Is that potato?
Hi, we have hot dogs now.
Guess what they also have?
No, we don't.
Women.
Women.
Yeah.
I like the spicy brown mustard.
There's 3 boys.
The spicy
One girl.
brown mustard is good.
3
You
boys
want more?
and
Want
1
the spicy
girl.
brown mustard on the hot dogs?
I'm trying to finish.
No.
I want more on mine.
Oi. Bye-bye.
Yeah, in one of her videos, because there was 2 boys and 2. There was 3 boys and 2 girls.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because she was doing a big surprise for one of her subscribers, and one of her subscribers, that subscriber actually came to her house.
Wow.
Justin, what are you doing to the hot dog?
Not right now, Nora.